Foods for kidney health, renal diet. People with kidney disease have to be more concerned about the foods they eat, because certain foods may speed up the progression of kidney damage and result in the dampening of waste products in the body. Eating a kidney-friendly diet reduces waste, helps boost kidney functions, and prevents further kidney damage. 1. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a healthy vegetable that is high in vitamin C, vitamin K, and the B vitamin folate, among other nutrients. It also contains anti-inflammatory chemicals such as indolence and is high in fiber. In addition, for a low-potassium side dish, mashed cauliflower may be substituted for potatoes. 2. Red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are rich in taste and low in potassium, but that's not the only reason they're good for kidneys. These scrumptious vegetables are also high in vitamin C and A, as well as vitamin B6, folic acid, and fiber. Red bell peppers are beneficial to your health because they contain lycopene, an antioxidant that helps to prevent cancer. 3. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in phytochemicals, which are chemical compounds found in fruits and vegetables that prevent free radicals from causing harm. Numerous phytochemicals have also been shown to prevent and combat cancer, as well as to promote cardiovascular health. Cabbage is a rich source of vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber, as well as vitamin B6 and folic acid. It is low in potassium and inexpensive, making it a cost-effective complement to the renal diet. 4. Omega-3 rich fishes. Salmon, tuna, and other cold-water fatty fish with high omega-3 fatty acid content may be a healthy supplement to any diet. Omega-3 fatty acids cannot be synthesized by the body, which means they must be obtained via food. Fatty fish is an excellent natural source of these beneficial fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, according to the National Kidney Foundation, may help to decrease blood pressure and fat levels in the blood. As hypertension is a risk factor for kidney disease, reducing it naturally may help preserve the kidneys. 5. Garlic. Individuals suffering from renal disease are recommended to restrict their sodium intake, especially added salt. Garlic is a delectable substitute for salt, imparting flavor to meals while also offering nutritious value. It includes sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects and is a rich source of manganese, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Want to know more about health benefits of garlic? Click the I button or check the link given in description after watching this video. 6. Onions. Onions are high in flavonoids, including quercetin, a potent antioxidant that helps against heart disease and cancer. Onions are low in potassium and high in chromium, a mineral that aids in the metabolism of glucose, fat, and protein. 7. Egg white. Despite their great nutritional value, egg yolks are rich in phosphorus, therefore those on a renal diet should stick to egg whites instead. Egg whites are an excellent source of protein that is kidney-friendly. Those on dialysis, who need more protein but must keep their phosphorus intake under control, would benefit greatly from egg white. 8. Radishes. Radishes are crisp vegetables that are beneficial for a renal diet. This is because they are deficient in potassium and phosphate but are abundant in a variety of other essential nutrients. Radishes are an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant known to help prevent heart disease and cataracts. Additionally, its peppery flavor enhances the flavor of reduced sodium meals. 9. Cranberries. Cranberries are beneficial to the urinary tract as well as the kidneys. These small, tart fruits are high in phytonutrients known as A-type proanthocyanidins, which inhibit bacteria from adhering to the lining of the urinary system and bladder, thus avoiding infection. This is beneficial for those who have renal illness, since they are at a higher risk of developing urinary tract infections. Cranberries may be consumed fresh, dried, cooked, or juiced. They include a minimal amount of potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. 10. Turnips. Turnips are kidney-friendly and a great substitute for potassium-dense foods such as potatoes and winter squash. These tubers are high in fiber and vitamin C. Additionally, they are a good source of vitamin B6 and manganese. 11. Pineapple. Compared to other fruits like oranges, bananas, and kiwis that are rich in potassium, pineapple has a lower potassium content. So it is best alternative to these fruits for people with kidney disease. Additionally, pineapple is high in fiber, manganese, vitamin C, and bromelain, an enzyme that aids in inflammation reduction. 12. Blueberries. Blueberries are nutrient-dense and one of the highest sources of antioxidants available. These delicious berries, in particular, are high in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which may help protect against heart disease, some types of cancer, cognitive decline, and diabetes. Additionally, they are an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet because of their low sodium, phosphorus, and potassium content. 13. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is a healthy exception to the rule that most whole grains are rich in phosphorus. Buckwheat is a very nutritious grain, including a high concentration of B vitamins, magnesium, iron, and fiber. Buckwheat is also a gluten-free grain, making it an excellent option for those who suffer from celiac disease or gluten intolerance. 14. Olive oil. Olive oil is a good source of healthful fat and is devoid of phosphorus, so it's a good choice for renal patients. Healthy, high-calorie meals like olive oil are especially essential for individuals with severe renal disease who struggle to maintain their weight. Olive oil has a high concentration of oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat with anti-inflammatory effects. 15. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are an excellent choice for individuals who suffer from renal issues. They contain much less phosphorus than common nuts such as peanuts and almonds. Additionally, they are high in beneficial fats, B vitamins, magnesium, copper, iron, and manganese. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, ask us in the comment box. Do subscribe this channel Be Nutritive and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Be healthy, be nutritive.